Hey hustlers! Welcome back to Money Hustle 360, where we help you turn your dreams into dollars. Today we're diving into 7 mistakes that kill your YouTube channel's growth and how to fix them. If you're feeling stuck or frustrated with your channel's progress, you're not alone. Many creators fall into these traps, but the good news is that awareness is the first step to success. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. First up is having an inconsistent upload schedule. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is not sticking to a regular posting routine. When you upload sporadically, it's hard for your audience to know when to expect new content, which can lead to decreased engagement and interest. To fix this, establish a consistent upload schedule that works for you, whether it's once a week, bi-weekly, or even monthly. Communicate this schedule to your audience and stick to it as much as possible. Consistency helps build anticipation and loyalty among your viewers, making them more likely to return for your next video. Next, let's talk about poor video quality. In today's digital landscape, viewers have high expectations when it comes to video production. If your videos are grainy, poorly lit, or have bad audio, it can turn potential subscribers away. To fix this, invest in decent equipment. You don't need to break the bank. Many smartphones today have excellent cameras, and affordable microphones can significantly improve your audio quality. Additionally, pay attention to lighting. Natural light works wonders, or you can invest in softbox lights for a professional look. Remember, high-quality videos reflect your commitment to your content and can help you stand out in a crowded space. Way number 3 is not engaging with your audience. Building a community around your channel is crucial for growth, and ignoring your viewers can lead to a disconnect. When you don't respond to comments or acknowledge your audience, they may feel undervalued and less likely to return. To fix this, make it a point to engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. You can even create videos that address viewer questions or feedback. Building a relationship with your audience fosters loyalty and encourages them to share your content, helping your channel grow. Next up is ignoring SEO best practices. Many creators underestimate the power of search engine optimization in driving traffic to their videos. Without proper optimization, your content may remain hidden from potential viewers searching for topics you cover. To fix this, start by researching relevant keywords for your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find keywords with good search volume. Incorporate these keywords into your video title, description, and tags. Additionally, create engaging thumbnails and compelling titles to improve your click-through rate. By optimizing your videos for search engines, you'll increase your visibility and attract more viewers. Way number 5 is not analyzing your analytics. Many creators upload videos without taking the time to review their performance metrics. Understanding your analytics is crucial for identifying what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make informed decisions for future content. To fix this, regularly check your YouTube analytics to monitor key metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. Look for patterns in your successful videos and consider what made them resonate with your audience. Use this data to refine your content strategy and focus on topics that drive engagement and growth. Next, we have failing to promote your videos. Just uploading content isn't enough. You need to actively promote your videos to reach a wider audience. Many creators assume that if they build it, viewers will come, but that's rarely the case. To fix this, leverage social media platforms to share your videos. Create engaging posts that highlight your content and encourage your followers to check it out. Join relevant online communities and forums where you can share your videos with like-minded individuals. Collaborating with other creators can also help you tap into new audiences. Remember, promotion is key to getting your content in front of more eyes. Finally, let's talk about not having a clear niche. Many creators try to cover a wide range of topics, thinking it will attract more viewers. However, this can lead to confusion and a lack of focus, making it harder to build a dedicated audience. To fix this, identify your passion and expertise, and choose a niche that aligns with both. Focus on creating content that caters to that specific audience. This will help you establish yourself as an authority in your niche and attract viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. A clear niche not only helps with audience retention, but also makes it easier to create targeted content that resonates with your viewers. Now that you know the 7 mistakes that kill your YouTube channel's growth, here are some tips for success. Stay educated. Continuously learn about YouTube trends, algorithm changes, and best practices. The platform is always evolving, and staying informed will help you adapt. Network with other creators. Connect with fellow YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations and partnerships can lead to new opportunities and help you grow your audience. Keep experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new content formats or styles. Experimentation can lead to unexpected successes and help you discover what resonates with your audience. Be authentic. Authenticity is key on YouTube. Be yourself and let your personality shine through in your videos. Viewers appreciate genuine content and are more likely to connect with you. Set goals. Establish clear, achievable goals for your channel. Whether it's reaching a certain number of subscribers or increasing your watch time, having goals will help you stay focused and motivated. And there you have it, 7 mistakes that kill your YouTube channel's growth and how to fix them. Which mistake have you encountered in your journey? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.